Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear ladies and gentlemen, peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. After greeting the followers of the Facebook page of Serigne Afia Bousso family, and on the occasion of the preparations for the Magal Serigne Afia Bousso, we want to announce to you, based on the organization of the Committee of Culture and Information of the Foundation, and with the permission of Serigne Alhaji Bousso Lumbe, the Caliph of Serigne Afia Bousso family, we will be talking with you about Serigne Afia Bousso and his life. We will be starting by his origin of Bousso and Nyang, and then enter into his most important achievements, and then we'll be talking about his sons and daughters one by one. So wait patiently daily episodes, and thank you for following up your favorite page, Serigne Afia Bousso family Facebook page. Peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.